Hi Ravens, I just want to talk to you about what continuous learning is going to look like in language arts. There are 3 things that I expect to happen each week in language arts. The first is independent reading. Each day, at least Monday through Friday, I expect you to read between 30 and 60 minutes. If you run out of books or you have trouble getting a book, please send me a Schoology message or email me so that I can help you get another book. The second thing is to do reading and writing activities. There will be 3 activities posted each week for either reading or writing. These activities should take you approximately 30 minutes to do, and you can do them in any order at any time during the week. Up until this point during continuous learning, these were optional assignments, but at this point, this is our schooling, and so it is expected for you to complete them. The third thing that is expected in language arts is that you are participating in some community opportunities. They are optional, but I do encourage them because it's a fun way for us to get to see what people are doing and how things are going for you at home. And it's a great way to interact and share with each other. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you how you get into what you're going to do each week. So there are 2 folders on the page of Language Arts. You have previous units, which you can go ahead and ignore because that's everything we've done up until this point. You're just going to go ahead and get into continuous learning. And in this folder, you will see three things. You're going to see Project Lit and independent reading resources. In here, you have how to get into Libby if you have not done so already, and some resources for Project Lit. And then you have a previous week's folder, which just houses things that we've done in previous weeks so far in continuous learning. And you have this week's folder. You'll notice that on the outside of the folder, you have kind of directives and order of what you're supposed to do each week. So you're going to read 45 to 60 minutes. You have 3 activities, a community kindness challenge, and your weekly check-in form. And I will post this every Sunday night so that you can go ahead and make a plan for the week and decide when you're going to do these activities. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this folder so you can see what that looks like. In here, you'll be able to see your activities for the week. This week, you have a new ZLA article, a read aloud, an independent reading response poem, you also have the Community Kindness Challenge and LA Weekly Feedback. The other place that you can go to see anything that we have is in the calendar, which is up here in the corner. If you click on the calendar, if you click on this week, you will see a calendar event that lasts the whole week from the 20th to the 24th. And at the top, you'll see goals for this week, which you can click and go straight to the folder, and the same goals that you have in that folder. In this calendar, you'll also see if we're having a Teams meeting this week. I will post that Teams meeting on this calendar. Another place where you can see this is if you go back into your course, on the right-hand side, you'll see upcoming, and you'll see language arts, and you can click here and also see that event. In that same place, you will also see if there is a Teams meeting or any kind of meeting that I have set up, maybe just between a few students instead of the whole group. And the link to join that meeting will be in this calendar entry. I will probably also send you some kind of a message in Schoology if we are having a Teams meeting that week. We are not having one this week. And if you click on the envelope up here, if you ever have a number, that is where you'll get a message. Make sure that you're checking that to see if you're getting any messages from teachers. So just as a quick reminder, if you're looking for the assignments for this week, you'll go into your continuous learning folder and you'll click on the dates for the week. So April 20th to 24th. This week you're doing activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3. This is also an assignment which is due on Friday. Please reach out if you have any questions and get started with your learning. See you later, Ravens.